Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ra and I'm usually known as querramellca on both YouTube and Instagram. So today's video is one of the most highly requested one. Finally today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I remove my face paint, because all of you guys always ask me how I remove my face paint. How do you remove that makeup? Habisin berapa banyak makeup remover, blah blah blah. So yes, today's gonna be the day. So without further ado, let's start this video. But first, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Jangan lupa like videonya dan juga subscribe kalau kalian belum subscribe ke channel aku, because I'll be making a lot of videos like this. So yeah, let's start the video. If you guys wanna know how I got this makeup look, head to my IGTV. And if you guys wanna know how I remove this makeup, keep on watching. Sekarang jam berapa ya? It's like 2:29. And I just want to remove this really quick. Like, finally. You know, one thing that's super sad about like face paint is that it takes hours and hours of like doing it. Tapi pas di remove, it takes only like 5 minutes. It takes me so fast because I always use like my favorite product, which I'm gonna share to you guys. I've been using this product for years, even before it comes to Indonesia. So yes. So first, after a really heavy makeup day or like a thick, you know, face paint makeup, you wanna get all of your hair away from your face because it's gonna be pretty messy. Biasanya aku selalu pakai dari aja sih because it's like the easiest pass. Also, I'm gonna use a headband. So just get everything away from your face. Next, you wanna take off your lashes. Oh, that feels so good. Gila, enak banget. Feels like kayak abis buka BH. You know that feeling? Girl, that's life. Next, this is my daily contact lens, so I can just throw it away after I use this. Next, this is my holy grail product. I just want to share to you guys how much I really love this product, and that is why I agreed to collaborate with them for this video. And the product is by Banila Co. Clean It Zero. So this one is not new. I've been using it. Udah setengah habis. It's almost like half empty. If you are doing face paint or like half body paint like me, you might want to take a generous amount. So just put it on your palm. Ini gado-gado banget ya, maaf videonya. Terus dipijit di tangan. Dia bakal lumer gitu loh guys, dari balm jadi kayak ke oily. Oh my god, look at that. And all you have to do is just but let's do this. Tinggal pijit-pijit aja di muka. You just keep on massaging. And it smells so good. Gue kayak suara kepit ya. Pon like pijit. It doesn't taste nice, so don't eat it or lick it. Okay, next. Ini harusnya di wastafel sih, di toilet. Cuman because I'm showing you guys, you wanna take a sponge, like a clean one, and warm water. And what you wanna do is just, man, look at that, langsung bersih, gila banget. If you are a heavy makeup user or if you love doing face paint, you have to have this because this is such a lifesaver. Dia tuh langsung bersih, literally mengangkat makeup sampai ke pori-pori. I love how this doesn't leave like an oily feeling on my skin as well. Bersih. Wow. Okay guys, intinya it is so obvious how well this cleans everything. It's a dream come true for like, you know, heavy makeup users. So now I'm gonna go to the toilet to rinse my face and my body properly because I can't do it here. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys after I rinse everything and really properly clean my face. Hi guys, I'm back. Aku baru banget nge-rinse muka aku pakai warm water and that's it. Like, I just basically took a really quick shower pakai air hangat, and this is how my skin looks after. Rasanya beresnya tuh nggak kering sama sekali, nggak berminyak sama sekali. It's just, I don't know, it's just squeaky clean, but it's also moisturized. Terus ini enak banget dan kulitku langsung bersih juga semuanya. Ini udah almost in a matter of like probably 5 to 10 minutes. It's so quick. So yes, I can safely say Banila Clean It Zero itu one of my holy grail. Aku seneng banget pakai cleansing balm. So basically cleansing balm is one of my favorite makeup remover choice just because it's like super quick, gak repot, gak habisin kapas, terus gak ngerusak kulit. Especially if you have sensitive skin, it is definitely one of the greatest choices in the market. So now yes, I am Bareface, so let me get ready really quick and I'll get back to you and let you guys know a really fun challenge you guys can also do. So guys, jadi tadi adalah video Bareface challenge aku. So sekarang aku mau ngajakin kalian untuk ikutan challenge-nya Clean It Zero dari Banila. Dua video paling menarik akan memenangkan produk Banila up to 5 million rupiah. Caranya gampang banget. Yang pertama, harus follow Instagram aku @querramellca dan juga Instagramnya Banila Indonesia. Yang kedua, kalian cuma harus bikin video Bareface challenge dari heavy makeup terus remove makeup kalian sampai bareface. Terserah mau sekreatif mungkin, dan kalau pakai produk Banila yang Clean It Zero kalian dapat bonus poin. Dan upload Instagram kalian, jangan lupa tag Banila, tag aku dan juga sertakan hashtag di bawah ini. Ditunggu submissionnya. I can't wait to see all of your videos, and yes, good luck and see you guys on my next video.